Welcome to this module. This module deals with the use of the breathing apparatus. The breathing apparatus is part of the firefighter's equipment at sea. Every seaman should be familiar on how to use the breathing apparatus correctly. This scenario is based on the IMO model course 1.20. So, are you ready? Let's go. This is the breathing apparatus set. It is made out of three major components. You have the high pressure air cylinder. We have the pressure reducing valve. You have a frame which will make it easier for you to wear the equipment. We have a demand valve which will open in case that you need air. The demand valve will be connected to the mask, and this is how you can breathe from the air bottle. And of course, you have an indicating device, a manometer, which will show you the pressure inside the air cylinder. So, if you want to learn more about each of these major components, click on the appropriate tab. Here we have two air cylinders. One is made out of steel. It is equipped with a valve which you can open or close in order to release the air from the inside. The other cylinder is made out of carbon composite materials, which is with approximately 33% lighter than the steel one. This one as well has a valve which will allow you to open or close the air supply from the cylinder. On the cylinder you'll have some markings. What is important to remember now that you need to know exactly what is the nominal pressure of the cylinder, the working pressure and the volume, because these informations will allow you to calculate the total volume of air that you have inside the air cylinder. The demand valve is connected to the high pressure reducing valve. So this valve will open and close when you need to inhale the air or to exhale it. The valve will be connected to the mask. The inhalation will be done through the valve and the exhale will be done through the masks. So when you exhale the air is going outside in the atmosphere, but the inlet is supplied from the cylinder through the high pressure reducing mechanism. The other part of the equipment which will allow you to use the air and to monitor the air pressure inside is the manometer, which will show you the high pressure inside the cylinder. This is the breathing mask. In order to use it, first of all, we need to check the integrity of the mask. After we are sure that is okay, we need to check the straps. So, for example, this strap is tight, so we need to slack all the straps fully. After we check the straps and they are fully slacked, we can put the mask over the head and tighten it in the proper order. In order to use the PA set, first of all, we need to check the integrity of the equipment. If everything is fine, then we slowly open the supply valve. After the valve is fully open, we can check the supply pressure, which is approximately 270 bars, which is fine. We close the valve. Monitor the pressure indicated on the manometer. In case that you have air leakages in the circuits, then the pressure will drop to zero. But we are fine. Slowly press the manual release of the demand valve and check the pressure of the manometer. When the pressure will drop to approximately 55 bars, then you will need to hear an alarm, which is the low pressure alarm. So let's see. You can use your hand to close the air outlet and slowly release it to release the air from the circuit. As you can see, when it reached 55 bars, down to zero, it sounded the low pressure alarm, and we have also an indicator light, flashing red light, which means that the device is wearable. When we are using the firefighting breathing apparatus to fight a fire, we will need to have a constant breathing in order to reduce our consumption of air from the cylinder. We want to maximize the use of the air. In order to breathe, you have typically three techniques or three methods. The first one is to breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the nose as well. The second technique is to breathe in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. And when you are in a difficulty, or when you are using a lot of energy, when you are in stress, physical stress, you can breathe faster and you can breathe in through the nose and exhale through the mouth. But the best technique that a firefighter can use in order to maximize the air available is to breathe in through the nose, exhale through the nose. You need to be calm, you need to breathe as normal as possible to have a constant rate, and remember, the most efficient way is to breathe in through the nose and exhale through the nose as well. When you will be using the PA set in a real life situation, probably you will be inside a hazardous atmosphere, which is very dangerous for the human body. This is why you need to monitor the pressure of the manometer regularly and pay attention to the alarm. In case that you get a low pressure alarm, then you need to evacuate. It is very dangerous to work inside a hazardous atmosphere where you can have smoke and you have other type of gases. To stay there in case that the air pressure inside the cylinder is going to really low levels. You can put your life in danger, and also you endanger the life of the rescuers, because of course you will need to be rescued. Somebody will need to come inside and to pick you up, so this is a dangerous situation for you and also your colleagues. So pay attention to the pressure inside the air bottle at all times, and be mindful of when the pressure is going to the lower levels, which are dangerous. The air cylinder, which is part of the PA set, has some markings on it. So you will have the nominal pressure, which for this case is 300 bars, and the volume of the bottle, which is marked here, and it says 6-liter volume. So this means that when the bottle is fully charged at 300 bars, you have inside a total of 1,800 liters of air, which, if fully emptied, will last for approximately 45 minutes. But we should never go to a fully open bottle. So this is how you can evaluate the total volume of air that you have inside the bottle. Just find the nominal pressure, which is marked on the cylinder, find the volume of the cylinder, which is also marked, and multiply them. And this is how you get the nominal pressure. Keep in mind also that according to some standards, a firefighter, let's say, usually will take about 40 liters per minute. But this is an average value, is not exactly your value. In order to wear the breathing apparatus, make sure that all the straps are fully released. Open the main valve. Position the DE set in such a way that when you wear it, the supply valve will be facing down. Lower your head. Let it drop. Adjust the shoulder straps. You can easily jab and adjust it. And also tighten the waist strap. Make sure it's adjusted. It's not fully tightened. Your closed fist should fit between the belt and your belly, so you can walk around. Approach the door.
Number 2, approach the door.
Number 3, approach the door. Test the door.
Number 2, test the door.
3, test the door. Number 1, open door.
Number 2, open door.
Number 3, open door. Approach the door.
Left foot forward. Step up.
Step up.
Okay. We go forward.
Follow.
We make right. Turn right.
Turn right.
Okay. Pay attention on the floor. We move forward.
We move forward.
Upper one, there is a door.
One pull. I'm in position. 2 pulls. Give me some slack. 3 pulls. I'm in danger. Take me out. 1 pull. I'm in position. 2 pulls. As you can see, you have a fire. I can tell you it's a classic fire. Choose the right fire extinguisher and extinguish the fire. Come on, let's go. Raise the alarm. Choose the extinguisher and extinguish the fire. Okay, I will show you how to do it. As you can see, you have a fire. I can tell you it's a classic fire. Choose the right fire extinguisher and extinguish the fire. Come on, let's go. Raise the alarm. Choose the extinguisher and extinguish the fire. Okay, I will show you how to do it. As you can see, you have a fire. I can tell you it's a classic fire. Choose the right fire extinguisher and extinguish the fire.
Fire, fire, fire.
Okay, remove the pin. Test the fire extinguisher. Lift up. Approach the fire. Attack. Stop.